Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen recipe. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including your favorite noodles, a rich broth, and any toppings you love. Next, focus on preparing your broth base. This is where the magic happens for that authentic flavor. Finally, cook your ramen noodles perfectly al dente for the best texture in every bite. Let's get cooking. Creating a delicious ramen starts with the broth. Simmer pork bones, chicken, or vegetables with aromatics like ginger and garlic for several hours to develop a truly deep and complex flavor. Once simmered, adjust the seasoning with soy sauce, mirin, and a little miso paste to taste. While your broth is simmering, cook your chosen ramen noodles precisely according to the package directions for optimal texture. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this ramen guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? You can even ask it to play some relaxing music while your ramen simmers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the exciting part, toppings. Prepare classic additions like tender chashu pork, marinated soft-boiled eggs, and fresh scallions. Don't forget crisp nori seaweed and a drizzle of fragrant chili oil for an extra kick. Finally, assemble your masterpiece. Pour the hot broth over your perfectly cooked noodles, then artfully arrange all your delicious toppings. Enjoy your homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.